Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikisha. If you are new, welcome. I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and join the family. If you're welcome back, if you are returning. Today I'm going to be doing a protective style. I am showing you here that I've already did the back just so it can be quicker, and I did that off camera. I'm going to be working on the front part, and we're going to be doing the rubber band method and twist. And I'm doing the medium size because I didn't want them too small. I wanted them medium. And so that's what I'm doing here. I did wash and deep condition my hair. I just put them in some chunky twists, and that's why my hair is all curly and stuff. So we're going to first start by parting the middle of my head just so I can have even parts on either side, and that will be my starting point for the twist and put in the rubber bands. I think the most time consuming part of this was putting the rubber bands in my hair because the whole process took about an hour or so to do, and it took one pack of hair. And I was amazed by that. I was kind of surprised because I thought it was going to take longer, but I think the rubber band part of it was the longest. Right here I'm just putting the back part away and pinning up this side so I can just have one side to work on. And so here I'm going to be combing my curls out just a little bit because, like I said, they are tightly curled on there because I had them in twists for about a few days before doing this style after I washed the hair. So I'm trying to see how big I want my parts to be. So right here I am seeing how big I want. I take a section. I have my sides to be bigger just because my sides are, I don't want them to be strained in any way. So I have my first piece, the biggest part, which is my sides, and then the rest of them are going to be smaller. But I wanted the side piece to be the biggest part just so my ends and my edges are protected, because your girl can't go be walking around here bald headed. We just can't be doing that, baby girl. We can't just be doing that. So I'm over here making sure that part is the biggest part on my head. And the products I'm going to be using is Murray's Edge Wax and the Main Choice 24 karat gold twisting gel. And I do put both of those on my hair first. Well, on this one I just put the edge wax on my perimeter, and then at the end, before I start putting the twist in, I put the Main Choice on my hair and as well as the hair that I'm using. So my first piece, it has a big part, but the hair itself is small. Like I said, I wanted to protect my baby's hairs, and I didn't make the rubber bands too tight, but they're close to my scalp. And again, this is the hair I'm using, the Jamaican twist braiding hair, and it's 1B30, and I use one pack of that, and I just cut it in half. I tell you, this putting the rubber bands in your hair was the hardest part for me because I was tired, my arms was hurting. I'm just like, I'm over this. And the hair kept getting caught with the other part of hair, and I kept on having to go back and repart. It was just, I was over it. But we got it done. So now we are finally done with the whole head. I'm just showing you what it's looking like. And I was tired. So now I'm going to take a piece of hair. Again, I'm showing you what kind of hair I'm using. And I cut it in half, and it was a lot. So I'm taking the first row in the back, and I'm putting the rest of my hair up. And I'm going to start with the back 3 sections, or 3 braids, I should say, 3 ponytails. I'm going to be using, like I said, the Main Choice 24 karat twisting gel. And I use like one piece of hair out of that because it comes in like individuals. So I use one piece, comb out the ends just because they were all tapered. So I combed out the ends on each side and began to twist. I put the gel on the hair just to moisturize it, and I also put it on my hair as well. And you place the hair over the rubber band, and I use my hair as a third strand, twist it down a little bit, or braid it down, 3-strand twist it, and then I split it in 2, took some more of the product and began to twist it all the way down to the ends, and add product as needed. This process I think was easier for me to do other than actually just twisting onto my natural hair. I feel that this was very much more easy to do, especially for beginners. If you're just now learning how to do your own hair like I am, I think this was way easier. It took way less, and it was fast. And it didn't take that long for me to get the hang of it. I had to make sure I kept putting the hair over the rubber band, because if I didn't, then the rubber band would show and the twist was underneath the rubber band, and then I had to take it down and make sure it was back on the rubber band. I probably messed up and did like that like twice, so I had to redo 2 of them throughout my whole head, so I'm very proud of myself. See my face? I'm over it. Ready for it to be done. I was so happy I only had one more left. I was ready to be done. I was like, last one, singing to my little last one dance. I was happy. So here is the finished result. Your girl is tired. My arms hurt. I made them big because I didn't want them small because I'm going to mainly keep it up in an updo ponytail. So this is what it's looking like. So yeah, I'm going to show you the back of it, I think. But yeah, it came out really, really, really cute. I really like them. I did have to dip the ends because they kept coming unraveled. So I had to retwist some of them and dip them. But it stopped that from unraveling. So I'm just trying to see how I want to wear my hair. And I'm going to decide to wear it up in an updo ponytail. Because that's how I want to wear them. But this hairstyle is very versatile, which I like. And it didn't take very much time to do. So yeah, I'm very happy. It was worth it. We feeling myself. Feeling myself. Feeling my... No, I'm just playing now. But yeah, so see, some of them were coming unraveled, so I had to dip them once I was done with the video. I did dip some of these just so they could stop unraveling, and added more product where needed to be added. Which I kind of like that rustic unraveled look because it looks more natural than anything. But I absolutely love how my hair has come out. I'm feeling it, yes. And it took like an hour, literally an hour, to do this whole entire process. So here I'm just putting it up into a ponytail. Like I said, this is how I'm going to be wearing it, but it's going to be like, I'm going to twist the ends of them and put it into like an updo ponytail with the hair. It's not going to be hanging down like that. But I was just showing you that you could do that if you wanted to as well. It is very versatile. I really, really, truly like this hairstyle. And this will last me for a while. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I would like it if you would give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. And thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks guys so much for your support. Love you. Bye.